classes. In this video, we will study about static error constant. Okay, let's start our class. Static error constant means the error we are getting from the system is a constant value. Constant value means either this is value 0 or this value is infinity or this value a particular constant value. So it is known as a static error constant. And in this system, what is the definition? First we will study. When the constant system is excited with a standard input signal, it means a system is here and we are providing some input. If the input is a standard value, then the error which is occurred, the value may be either 0 or infinity or some constant value. So it is known as static error constant. Okay, we will start our class. Now we know that we have three types of static error constant. First one is position error constant. Position error constant. It is denoted by Kp. From the position P is here, so its value is Kp, and it has a formula, and the formula is limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. This is the basic formula for position error constant, and it is denoted by Kp. This is the first error constant. The second error constant is velocity error constant. Velocity error constant, and its shortcut is Kv, and its formula will be limit s tends to 0. In the previous formula only g of s into h of s is there, so here s will be extra added, s into g of s into h of s. Similarly, the third one is acceleration error constant. Acceleration error constant, and it is denoted by Ka, and its formula is limit s tends to 0 s square into g of s into h of s. We will study each of the three terms one by one. First we will study when the input is a unit step signal. Now we will study when the input is unit step signal. So input is unit step. So r of t, which is the input, is equal to unit step, that is u of t is equal to 1. And if r of t is equal to 1, then r of s is the Laplace transformation of r of t, that means Laplace transformation 1 is equal to 1 by s. So r of s is 1 by s. We know the formula for the e of s is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into e of s, as we have discussed. And we know that the formula for e of s is equal to r of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. If I put this formula, or if I put r of s formula equation 1 and e of s formula equation 2 in this equation, I can get ess is equal to limit s tends to 0 s into e of s. E of s is equal to this one, r of s divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. This one is the formula. Now I will put the value of r of s, that implies limit s tends to 0 s into 1 by s whole divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. Now if you simplify this, s and s will be cancelled out, and limit s tends to 0 1 divided by 1 plus g of s into h of s. If I put the value of 0, limit s tends to 0, in this equation, I can get, here the value is 1, here it also 1, and limit s tends to 0 will taken inside, then limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s. As we have discussed in the previous class, limit s tends to 0 g of s into h of s is equal to Kp. So here the value will be 1 divided by 1 plus Kp. This is the ESS, steady state error in term of Kp when the input is unit step signal. And also the value of ESS depend upon the type of the signal. We'll discuss it one by one. We know that the value of G of S into H of S. We know G of S into H of S is equal to a constant into S minus Z1 into S minus Z2 into that divided by S to the power of N into S minus P1 into S minus P2. Similarly, here N means the type of the system. If we go for type 0 system, then the value of G of S into H of S will be G of S into H of S is equal to K into S minus Z1 divided by S power of 0 whole into S minus P1 into S minus P2. Similarly, here S power 0 means it is equal to 1. So here G of S into H of S value will be only K, which is a constant. In type 0 system, G of S into H of S is a constant. So if we put here the value of limit S tends to 0, G of S, H of S constant, then the value of ESS will be 1 divided by 1 plus Kp, and it is for type 0 system. If it is type 2 system, type 1 system, if it is type 1 system, then here at the place of 0 we'll put 1. So that implies G of S into H of S is equal to K into S minus Z1 into S minus Z2 divided by S power of 1 whole into S minus P1 into S minus P2. Similarly, here the value will be some constant by S. If you put this value S tends to 0, then 1 by 0 is equal to infinity. So this value will be infinity. So for type 2 system, the value of ESS will be 1 divided by 1 plus infinity, which is equal to 0. For type 0, the value is constant. For type 1, the value is 0. And we will study the type 2. Type 2 system. In type 2 system, here the S value will be square. That implies the same value K by SS will be repeated as K by SS square. The value of S is equal to 0, so here the value will be again infinity. And the ESS will be here again similarly 1 plus infinity is equal to 0 here. In this class, we have studied that for type 0, type 1 and type 2 system, what is the stability of the error? What is the steady state error constant? So we got that for type 0, the ESS value is constant, that is 1 by 1 plus Kp. For type 1 system, the error is 0. For type 2 system, the error is also 0. In this class, we have studied about the static error coefficient for unit step signal. In the next class onwards, we will study about the static error coefficient value for unit ramp signal and unit parabola symbol. Thank you.